Hey, it's Jen Ed and I'm back. I'm the founder of the Sugar Freedom Method and the new founder of the Freedom Membership, which is my new anti-inflammation membership that everyone seems to be loving, because who does not want to bring down inflammation in their life in a simple, fun, and easy way? Okay, now, today's topic. Oh, this is such a good one. Women are always so confused when they come see me and my team. Jen, why do I always seem to put on more weight after I get off a diet? Of TV or Weight Watchers, right? You name them. Oh my God, I almost said Slim Fast back in the day. I'm such a product of the 80s. Yeah, Slim Fast. Like, why do I blow back up? And so I want to talk about that today. Now, before I do that, I always just say, if you're a new person finding me here and you're not a subscriber yet, and you do enjoy how fast I talk as a New Yorker, and if you enjoy my tools, tips, and strategies, there is a chance to subscribe to my channel now or at the end of my video. And I always say, please do that if you feel like you're in the right place. Okay, so let's get right to why do I seem to put on weight, Jen, after a diet? And not just a little bit. We seem to blow up like larger than how much we had to take off. It's bizarre, but it's not bizarre. So a couple of things. Number one, I find our metabolism slows down when we go on a diet that does not have a proper amount of protein, carbohydrates, and fat. And we're actually almost in starvation mode. Yes, we take in such few calories that the body will temporarily drop weight. Problem is, when we start eating real food, real amounts of food, especially for those, oh my God, who come to me from Optivia, or a lot of times it's Optivia, or these shake things that people do. They're like, Jen, I am so bloated, everything is all screwed up. And I say, it's because reason number two, those foods, they're not even really food, have so much chemicals in them that the body is now storing. Believe it or not, what you ate that wasn't food, the toxins get stored in your body. And I hear all the time, wow, I am so bloated now. What happened? Well, you have to know that chemicals and the high levels of garbage, for lack of a more professional way to say it, that's in this artificial food, it throws off our gut microbiome. And when that happens, we bloat. So let's stop killing our metabolism and let's stop eating fake food that temporarily makes us lose some weight on the scale. And let's start doing what we teach, which is lifestyle changes, bringing down inflammation in the body in a slow and steady way, decreases your cravings, gives you more energy, you start to sleep, your libido comes back, and yes, you start to release stubborn fat. So if that's you, oh gosh, hit me up with a comment. I am happy to support in any way I can. And I truly hope today that you're starting to see why after a diet, you blow up more than what you did before, all right? It's just not healthy. And honestly, it really does set us back, then move us forward in any meaningful way. Okay, so with that said, if you have any questions, please hit me up. And if you love, just how I teach and my tips and strategies, I would be honored if you subscribe to my channel. And for sure, I'll be back in touch soon.